Hey guys, so we are just walking now to Aling Aling, which is a waterfall here. We're going with a guide, and I think we're going to be able to see a few others as well. So yeah, I'm excited to show you. In the jungle. It's so beautiful here. Very cool walk. So you can see water. So nice. Alright, we've come to our first waterfall, and it is a nameless one, but it is so nice. Back at it again with my nemesis, stairs. I always think of that scene from Kung Fu Panda every time, so if you didn't get the reference, that's it. Actually, these ones are not too bad. They're like not super steep. Some of the ones here are like cliffs that you're climbing up, I swear. Okay, we have officially made it to one. Pretty sure this one is Aling Aling. Yeah. So cool. You can actually feel the mist coming off of the waterfall. It's crazy. So we're just about to get the cameras out and hopefully get the drones up. So yeah, I will show you what we get shortly. Okay, so I flew my drone and it was very nerve-wracking. If you don't know, I'm still kind of new to drone flying. I've flown it maybe like 10 times total in my life, and didn't connect to the GPSs, so we just took off anyways. And Kieran helped me and saved the day by catching it for me because I could not do that and it was really windy. So yeah, thankfully I had him with me to help. But yeah, you'll see some of the footage. It was so beautiful. Yeah, I'm really lucky to be here right now. And yeah, I hope you're enjoying so far. And yeah, I don't know what else to say. So bye! Okay, so I think I'm just getting like dewier and dewier as the smell goes. Yeah, my forehead's like overexposed from the sweat. It's really pleasant. Now we're going to a third waterfall. So now, you probably can't hear me, but we are just crossing that little bit of water there, I think. So that's fun. Look at this. Alright, so now I'm walking barefoot to the next spot. There's no point in putting shoes back on, and yeah, it's an adventure. If you know me, this is not a me thing. Okay, look at this! So it wasn't actually too far without shoes, but Yeah, recommend waterproof shoes for this. Look at how beautiful it is though. We're done and I'm dead now. Got my little fan here. But I'm like dead. I've never sweat like that before in my life. But yeah, hope you enjoy. Hey guys, so this is Made. He was our guide for Aling Aling. What's your Instagram?
Made.
Okay, I will leave it.
Made.
I will leave it in the description below, and you can reach out to him if you want to do the same tour.
Yeah,
Thank you so much.
make sure you guys come here, this place, and jumping and sliding.
Yeah, it's the best.
Bye.
Bye. So we are now in Lovina. We just had some kind of like lunch snack. I just had fries. But yeah, this is actually a place where they do like dolphin watching in the mornings. Kieran did that once. So yeah, we're back now. The weather is a little bit moody, so we'll see what we can get. But yeah, let me show you.
And yours?
Jess.
Yes, my pleasure.
Nice to meet you.
And what's your name?
Jess.
Yes.
Yes.
Nice to meet you. My name is Sherry.
Nice to meet you as well.
Karen. Nice to meet you. My name is Sherry. It's nice.
Yes, very nice. It's good balance.
Yeah.
Look at the part of my work. This is symbolic of the positive thinking, how the human has to think positive. And this is cycles of your life. Wow. And this is lotus flowers.
It's got a really nice collection.
Thank you very much. And this is positive aura. How to move all negative aura from your positive aura. Because in your body you have positive and negative. How to move all the negative aura and positive aura coming in.
I see, yeah, that makes sense.
What are your price ranges?
Beg your pardon?
What are your prices?
I'm selling my work is in your money. That's about 15 bucks.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it complete with the necklaces there.
Nice.
Every style same. And it's also positive thinking.
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Yeah.
Wow.
So we just stopped on the side of the road because of this. Look at all the fog. Got some really cool stuff on the drone, so I really can't wait to show you guys. We got Mountain View in the background there too, so yeah, I'm excited. I will put the footage right now. Bye. So I forgot to end my vlog yesterday. But yeah, I hope that you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one, which we are actually going out tomorrow, which is today, to go check out some other waterfalls as well. And then we have 2 other fun like days out planned as well, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, I will see you soon. Thank you. Okay, bye.